Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My front porch was in much need of some TLC from after Christmas, so in this video, watch me transform my front porch from this to this. I will show you 3 DIYs if you'd like to make these items for your porch too. I will make an easy Dollar Tree DIY made of their fake flowers and a metal bucket, a stained wood crate, and a personalized coir doormat. For this first DIY, I will be staining a wooden crate that I bought at Michael's. If you want to order one online, I will link one that I found on Amazon down below. So the first thing that I do is I sand my crate with a sanding block all over until it's smooth. Now I'm going to stain the crate using Varathane Antique White. I just use a staining pad and apply this all around my crate, making sure to get in between the cracks. The next thing that I made was this Dollar Tree faux flower piece. The first thing that you'll need is a few flowers of your choice. I got 6 of them. A metal bucket. Floral foam, I ended up using 2.5 pieces for this, and white rocks. I got all of these items at the Dollar Tree. The first thing that I did was take some wire cutters and cut off each individual stem, making smaller pieces of each flower. Next, you will place your foam inside of your bucket. Then you are just going to pour your white rocks over your foam. After that, you're just going to take your stems and stick them inside of your foam, wherever you think looks good. There's really no pattern, you just do whatever you like and what looks good to you. This last DIY is going to be a personalized doormat. The first thing you'll need is a coir doormat. This is the 18 by 30 inch size and I got mine at Target. Vinyl stencil of your last name, I used Oramask 813, a ruler or measuring tape, masking tape, a foam brush, black outdoor paint, I used Rust-Oleum Professional High Performance Enamel in flat black. So now we are going to take the corner of our stencil and peel it off of the transfer tape and place this on our mat. You will then want to measure the sides and top to find the center. Once you find your center, push it down onto your mat and rub down with a card. Now for this next part, I'm not going to lie, it's not really easy. The vinyl does not stick to the mat very well, so this process is slow, but it does work. So you take your corner of your transfer tape and you peel down at an angle. Work your way all the way down until it's completely off. It's finally off, yay! Now to straighten it back off and tape your sides down. So for this next part, you are going to get a cloth, or in my case, a Teflon sheet, and iron over your vinyl only for a few seconds. It'll shrink your vinyl and adhere it some to the mat. This will definitely help prevent bleeds when you're painting over your stencil. Now we're going to take our paint and apply this over your stencil. Dab your brush up and down, do not go side to side or back and forth. Funny story about this paint, a few years ago when I made my first mat, I dropped a whole half-gallon can at my front door all over my front porch. It is made for painting outdoors, so it made a huge mess and took days of scrubbing and pressure washing. There are still a few stains there, but oh well, at least I got a cute mat, right? So once everything was done, I went outside and set my crate upright, and I placed my new flower pot on the very bottom. This welcome sign that I already had on the top. A little mini sign that says "Hello Spring." This cute little grass bunny that I got from Hobby Lobby. And here is my new mat and this wreath that I also got from Hobby Lobby. Well, that wraps it up for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed these DIYs and maybe got some inspiration for your front porches. If you like this video, make sure to hit thumbs up and please be sure to subscribe. It would definitely make my day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.